Today, we will explain the types of fiber patch cables and their applications. Here is what a fiber patch cable looks like. This is a patch cable with SC connectors. Here is where fiber patch cables are used. These are the light wave equipment, which are cross-connected with fiber patch cables. Fiber optic patch cable plays an important role in fiber optic networks. They are used for cross-connection and connecting cabling infrastructure to light wave equipment. Fiber patch cables can be categorized as simplex patch cable and duplex patch cable. Simplex patch cable has only one connector on each end. Duplex patch cable has two connectors on each end. Fiber patch cables can also be categorized as single-mode patch cable or multi-mode fiber patch cable. Single-mode patch cable uses single-mode fiber. The cable jacket is usually yellow color. Multi-mode patch cable uses multi-mode fiber. The cable jacket is usually orange color. Fiber patch cable can also be categorized based on connector types. The most popular connector types are SC, LC, ST, FC, and MTRJ.